Guys, as much as I wanted to let this socks be dried, this is the result. Eish, this is the result. So guys, I need to uh, put my shoes now, and I think I will just put it here, this camera, for you to see. So I need to remove this because it will just hurt my foot if I will not remove. This is it. Same thing with this, I need to remove this black part because they are hard. They can easily destroy my foot. I think even this. Need to put it back, even though it was not dried fully yet, but I need to put it back because there are some tourists coming up here. Of course, it's very shameful for me to let them see this kind of sock. Aonji. This sock is for trail runners or even hikers, I think. This is the that's the effect. This is the effect of it. Nope. I need to remove this again. It was too hard. Is this correct? Nope. this way. I have a hard time fixing it. What anyways guys, what North Star, is it North Star, the brightest star that we see here on Earth? Because that area that is the north. I don't know if that's the North Star, the brightest that I see. Even when I'm carrying uh, sands, because usually I just finish carrying my the one truckload of sands. uh, I'm just carrying it at least I don't know what, 1 point something kilometer or 2 point something kilometer uh, from Sitio Fanguraw turning point to Favari. So it was very hot during daytime. That's why I decided that I will uh, do the work night time. And I always notice that that area is done is the where I always see the brightest. But of course, as the clock turns away, it will keep on moving. But it is very very clear that you can see that all the stars that you can see here is very small, and that one is the only one that is the very brightest one. I can say the biggest next to the moon, but I only see it as the brightest. Other than the moon, that is the brightest. So guys, I just put back my shoes because, as I have just said, I'm expecting some kind of tourist here. I don't know how to interact with them because I'm introvert. I don't know if there's other words to describe the person who is more introvert than introvert. Then that's me. That's why I don't know what to do. My mind says I'll better leave before they come, but I don't know if I will leave, because if I will leave here before they come, then maybe I'll just make a video down there, down in the basement, wherein we can see the other side of the best view of Maligkong rice terraces, because here in Mount Kopapoy we can see the rice terraces, sea of clouds, and sunrise. But down there, we can also only see the beauty of the rice terraces. I don't know how to interact with the people. That's why I don't know if I'm gonna I will not live here, or I will gonna I don't know how to handle talking with them. So guys, that's it. I'll update you again when there's sunrise. Actually, what I can see, there's already sea of clouds being formed. I can now see the sea of clouds being formed. It's just that the camera cannot catch it yet. It's not clear yet in the camera, but I can see it that it is already being called sea of clouds. But I can take a picture because it is not my camera. My cell phone's camera cannot get the it's a beauty picture, because here all you can see is black, even though the flashlight of my cell phone is on, just black. But in through the eyes you can see that it is already, the sea of clouds has already formed. So guys, I'll update you again later on, and yeah, thank you for being with me, supporting me, and I'll update you later on. Oh, it's very cold when I'm just, I think, 1 meter or 1.5 meter away from the fire woods, but from the fire that I set, but I already feel cold. Oh, it was very cold. Whew. Need to come back here again. It's very cold. I think I can enjoy myself if I'm the only one here. There's no tourist coming here that will come here, because of course I can stay here how long I want. It is how long I want. Guys, I will just use this now. You think I will just use this now? Nope. We'll just eat. Guys, that's it.